me share this easy, simple, healthy, absolutely delicious recipe with you. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. Trust me, you will love it here. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In my cooking pot, I will go ahead and add my oil. Okay, you can use any oil of your choice, but I am going to use my coconut oil. Now after adding that, we are just going to add our washed rice to that, toast it for some few minutes before we proceed. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos and trust me, you will love it. After watching this video, I will be very grateful to see your comments in the comment section, so leave it there for me. Thank you for doing it, and please do not forget to like this video, okay, and share to others. Now we have toasted this for about 2 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can omit this, okay? Yes, you can omit this. I will toast it for about a minute and then you will proceed. For short videos that are very detailed, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Now I've added some water to it. I will give it a stir, and then after that, I am just going to leave this on fire to cook very well. So please note this. I did not add any salt to this because the soy sauce contains salt. So please, I did not add any salt to it. After a minute, it looks like this, and I'm just going to cover it and allow it to continue cooking. And when it is done, I will be with you. Okay, thank you so much. Now, after 10 minutes, this is how our rice looks. I'm just going to give it a stir. Basically, when I'm preparing rice, I do not stir it, but this I didn't want to get plenty kanzo, okay, because at the end of it all, I will just discard the kanzo. So what is the point? Now I'll go ahead and then cover it and then allow the heat to boil it very well. Then when it is ready, I'll be with you and then we continue with the cooking process. Have you liked this video? No? Oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the like button for the video to move for me, okay? Yes, like it for me. Thank you so much. Now the rice is ready and just look at that, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I love how it has singled out, okay? Yes, perfect. We are just going to set that aside and then let's start with the rice. In my cooking pots, I have my oil and we are still using our coconut oil. I can see the video looks too bright here. Sorry. I'm very sure it's because of how I positioned the light. Yeah, thank you so much. Now I added my green beans and I've added my carrots. So basically this recipe is carrot rice that I am making, okay? Samalo carrots rice be. Now I've added my smoked paprika. I will add my basil, parsley. I will add my pepper, add my seasoning, garlic, salt, anything that will add taste to the rice. Give it a stir, and then after that I'm just going to add the rice to this. Is it not simple? It is very, very, very simple. Now give it a stir and add the rice bit by bit till you are done adding everything. And I can't wait to show you the final result. This was beautiful, and not just beautiful, it was very delicious. Try this recipe and trust me, you will love it because it was nice. Now we are done adding everything, I mean the rice, and I'll go ahead and add my chopped onions and then my green pepper, okay, the bell peppers. Give it a stir, and this is how it looks. It is very flavorful, very delicious, and then mouth-watering. So now we are done mixing everything. If you want to add any protein, you can go ahead and add any protein of your choice, but I did not add anything like that to the rice, but I'll be pairing the protein with it, okay? Yes, now I've added my scallions or green onions, anyhow you call it, or spring onions, and our rice is ready. We pair this with some salad and then my fried fish because this food is for me, okay? You know I don't eat meat and I enjoy this alone. That is just by the way. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.